Do you want to learn how to make map animations with AI like these? In this video, I'll show you how to do it with this tool called Motion Vid. So let's get to it. In order to make those type of map animations, you need to go over to motionvid.ai. I have a link in the description. You can go through that and follow along with this tutorial. So over here on top, you're going to find this motion graphics. Click on that and then click on motion graphics button over here. They also have this infographics. This is a native video animation builder that they got. So on top, hover on motion graphics and then click on motion graphics button over here. They also have got this infographics, but with this, it's like a native animation builder and it's like you're using After Effects, but this is mostly useful for infographics and not for map animations or complex animations. So we are going to go with the motion graphics option here. Then this is the page that's going to show up. Scroll down. You're going to find this prompt bar. You can create a first start image and then you need to create an end image. So to make the end image is going to reference to the start image. Like over here, you've got the templates. So you can make these sorts of geopolitical map animations or Vox style animations and such. We're going to go with this one, create any map animation, animate anywhere. Just click on it and it's going to automatically input our start image and end image. Now, let's say I want to change this last image, this end image to Australia. This is currently, I think it's in Greenland. So we're going to change it to Australia. In order to do that, you just need to type here on bottom in the prompt bar, just a simple prompt like change map location to Australia. And on the bottom right over here, you'll find edit end image. It's going to take 1 credit out of your total balance. And it is currently saying editing end frame. So you have selected this end frame and then you need to type the prompt and then you need to press on edit end image. Once you've done that, it's going to show up like this. So we have changed that image from Greenland over to Australia. Now on the bottom here in the prompt bar, you can describe a motion between start and end. You can also leave it blank, doesn't matter. But let's say we want to rotate the earth left to right and then we zoom in to Australia. You have to describe that over here. It just has to be a simple prompt. Then on the bottom here, you got video settings. You can choose the AI model. So it could be Google Veo, Minimax, Helio, or Kling. Then you need to select the Pro or Standard and the 5 seconds or 10 seconds duration time. And let's take a look at the result. Looks great, isn't it? Now, if you want to download it, you can just click here on the download button right next to the copy link option. Click here to download it to your computer. And it's going to download a .mp4 file. Now you can use that video in your editing software. If you want to find your previous projects, you can go over here on the top, projects, click on that, and then you're going to find your video projects here, like this one or these other map animations that I've done. These are like battle map animations. And in order to make them, you need the start and end frame prompts. So for that, you can go over to Cloud or ChatGPT and ask for the start and end frame prompts for battle map animations. Like for Dragon Battle, you've got the start frame here. You can copy it. Go over to Motion Vid, click on this motion graphics, and here you can remove the start and end frame options. Then you can click on this first frame and type that prompt over here, and then click on create start image. Then it's going to make that first image in the start frame. Click on this end frame and put that second end prompt here. What it's going to do is going to take a reference to the first frame and make an image that is very similar to that image, but based on your prompt, it's going to change it. So just like this, we have created these. So I'm going to go inside one of these projects and you can see the start and end frame. It's never going to make a completely new image if you go with a different prompt. It's always going to keep a reference of the start frame, or if you remove the start frame, it's always going to keep the reference of the end frame while making that image. They also got Nano Banana Pro if you want to use it, and infographics inside, and the templates as well if you want to use them. So like over here, this is Rising Economies Reveal Map. So you can use that. Just click on it, customize it based on how I showed you before. Simple War highlight map and Vintage War highlight map. You also got this 3D battle map animation. You can change these tanks to dragons, change the text etc. inside it. And yeah, that's it. That's how to make map animations with AI. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with the like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Motion Vid related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.